Hi everyone, it's Miss Storm with your learning adventure for today. We are going to make a bouncy ball. And I'm going to show you how to make a bouncy ball. So Miss Storm already made this one because I wanted to make sure it worked. She learned from the last time. So what we need to make a bouncy ball is some hot water, glue, food coloring, and this, which is called borax. So a couple of things. One, we do not put this in our mouths. Nope, this is for the laundry. Excuse me, this is hot. So because this is not hot, warm. So because of this, warm water and the borax, you have to make sure that you do this with a mom, dad, or a family member. You cannot do it by yourself, okay? So I'm going to show you guys, I want to have my measuring spoons and a clear box. Oh, and my spoon, which has a little bit of the old ball on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our bouncy ball. First thing we need is a 1/4 cup of glue. And there's already some glue in here, but I'm going to take the rest of my glue and I'm going to pour it in to my measuring cup. Right. And I'm going to put it in my bowl. And the reason why it's not exactly a bowl, it's a piece of Tupperware, but the reason why I did that is because this way you guys can see what I'm doing. So now we have to put a color for our ball. And I think I'm going to do green because it is almost time for St. Patrick's Day. So let's make it a little festive and do some green. Can you help me count how many drops of food coloring I put in? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I bet that's going to be a really nice green. Okay. So once we do that, we're going to stir the glue and the food coloring together. Hold on a second. Good grief. All right, I'm going to stir it together. Ooh, and look how nice and green our ball is going to be. And it's already starting to clump up a little bit. And that's because there's still some of the same pieces in here from the other ball Miss Storm made. The next thing we need is the borax. So we need 1 tablespoon of borax and 1/2 tablespoon of borax. So 1 1/2 of that. And then we're going to put our water in the 1/4 cup again use our glue because we might as well. We don't need to dirty up everything from the kitchen, right? And now we mix it together. Mix it together. Keep mixing. Oh, and look, it's starting to clump up. It's starting to clump up. Right. Take it out. I'm going to roll it, make it look like a ball. And normally you would have to run this under water first, but I don't want to walk away from the video to do that. So we're just going to dry it. Move this out of the way so we don't spill it, because that would be a mess. All right, so we're drying the ball out. You hear it squishy? And if we open this up, we should have a bouncy ball. So I'm going to roll it because bouncy balls are like spheres. Yes, that's right. They're a 3D shape. Look at that. We made a ball. So Miss Storm's going to move this down. Let's see if it bounces. Ready? It bounced. Let's count the bounces. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. We have 2 bouncy balls. That's so exciting. You don't understand. Miss Dawn never gets this stuff to work out for her well. And now it did. Let's see if Miss Dawn rinses it in this little container here. We can get a nicer bounce to it. Very exciting. Do you guys think you could try to make a bouncy ball at home? And I understand sometimes, you know, you don't have all the materials, and that is okay. That's okay. Because now you can experiment to see if maybe regular detergent would do it. Would liquid detergent make us a bouncy ball? We might have to try that out. Or do we need it to be the borax? Do you guys think you could try to figure out different ways to make a bouncy ball? I hope you guys had fun making a bouncy ball with me today. Let me know what you guys observed with your bouncy ball. What happens when you bounce it from up high? What happens if you bounce it down low? What happens if you use more glue than water? What happens if you don't use borax at all and you use a liquid detergent or just glue and water? I'd be curious to see what you guys find out. You guys are very smart. I'm very proud of you for that. You guys are regular little scientists, and scientists are smart, just like you. I love and I miss you guys very much. And I want you to stay happy, healthy, and safe. And I will see you next time. I love you. Bye.